Remember this grumpy pigeon we drew from scratch in Photoshop? Well, today we're turning him into a flawless, infinite scale vector asset in Illustrator. If you're ready, let's jump right in. Go to File, click Open, and select your Photoshop file. Then just hit OK and OK again. Now grab the outline and drag it over to the side. Next, head over to the Window menu. Activate Image Trace, hit Trace, and then click Expand to vectorize it. Right-click and select Ungroup. Then grab the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar, click on any white area to select all the white shapes at once, and hit Delete. Now, your clean outlines are perfectly ready. Let's lock this outline layer and create a new layer right beneath it, where we'll handle the coloring first, followed by the shading. Make sure to watch until the very end, because I'll show you exactly where you can download this complete project file for free. There are various ways to colorize a character. And in this video, I'm showing you two different methods, with even more techniques coming in future videos. For our first method, we'll take the pen tool, add our anchor points to trace the shape of the head, and then apply the base color. Our second option, perfect for those who love a freehand drawing feel, is using the pencil tool to draw the shapes. I'm going to continue with this method, but if you don't feel confident with freehand drawing, you can absolutely stick with the pen tool instead. To draw with the pencil tool, start from a single point and keep that starting position in mind. If you hit any sharp corners, just release the mouse, click back onto that last point, and continue in the new direction. Once you loop back around to your starting point, a small circle icon will appear next to your cursor, letting you know the path is ready to close. Release the mouse, and your shape is complete and ready for color selection. We're going to keep using this exact same method to color in the rest of the character's details. Which tool do you find easier to work with? The pen tool or the pencil tool? Let me know in the comments below, and feel free to drop any questions about parts you found tricky or confusing. I absolutely can't wait to read your feedback and answer your questions. Now, let's move on to the shading and lighting effects. To start, roughly decide where the shadows should fall, and use the pencil tool to draw out the matching shadow shapes. Next, use the eyedropper tool to sample the base color of that area, and then tweak it a few tones darker to establish your shadow color. Adding highlights and shadows is easily the most satisfying part of the process, because this is exactly where the character starts to pop, gaining real depth and bringing your hard work to life. You can apply highlights the exact same way. Just pick a color that's a few tones lighter than your base, and you're good to go. For those who haven't seen how we drew this character from A to Z in Photoshop, I'll link that video right here on the screen so you can check it out. In that breakdown, we start with a rough sketch, refine it with a cleaner secondary pass, pull the clean outlines, and finish things off with full color and shading. It's a super fun and smooth process that I highly recommend watching, and you can find the link in the description below as well. Best of all, we did the whole thing using a very budget-friendly Wacom tablet. I'm still rocking my very first Wacom model, and it gets the job done perfectly. In this current video, however, I'm doing absolutely everything with a mouse, because I honestly think working with a mouse in Illustrator is way more comfortable. I've also included a link in the description below, where you can download this vector completely free of charge. Once you click the link, just go to the price section on the right, type in 0, or enter any amount you'd like to donate to support my work, and click Buy This. Then just type in your email address on the next page to start your download. I want to thank everyone in advance, and you'll find step-by-step instructions right under that Buy This button as well. It's incredibly quick and easy to grab the complete vector file, which you can use to study the project file or implement directly into your own designs. In return, all I ask is that you hit the like button and drop a comment on this video. It really means the world to me.